going to be the first of a two-part tutorial on UV unwrapping. So I'm going to add in just a very simple cube here to start with, and I'm just going to maybe scale it up a little bit and bring it to the plane. So I'm just going to quickly subdivide it so we have equal faces on all sides. So the basics of UV unwrapping is really simple, and that is you just hit U and you get all of these, and you just hit unwrap, and then that will create for you a UV map which will tell your textures where to go onto the planes of this model. So if we come over into our UV editing mode here, we can see it's just unwrapped our object, and we have lots of different ones. We've got a smart projection, and we've got a cube projection, and we can also project it from the camera here as well. So a lot of time what we want to do is we want to have a texture where we can control what direction, for instance, each face of this cube, what direction the texture will face on each face of the cube. So what we would want to do that is we would just want to select everything in that face and unwrap it separately, and then in here we can scale it just like it were an object in our 3D view and move it around. So we can then determine precisely on a per face level what is appearing and where things are appearing in our texture maps. Thanks for watching.